This is Kayla Perry, and I am doing a video showing Enhancement 6 in CIT 336. First, I wanted to show that the view we have created for the admin page, it includes the sessions that we're starting, and then it also includes the first name and last name and level when the user is logged in. And then if the user's level is over 1, then it will show this product's link. And then for the login, we didn't change anything here, but the accounts controller, we made sure that there was client data, and then we opened a session as logged in, and then we have an array of the client data, which is what is showing the client's name. And then we also have in the header, we have added that we are adding their first name and then the session. If the visitor is logged in, and then it says log out if they are not logged in. And so that's the difference you see here. And then we registered a new client, so I will show you that here on the page. I registered this new client and I updated him in our local host to be a client level 3. And you see now that he is a level 3, he has the products link, and when you click that, it goes to the product management page. And then you can also log out, and that brings you back to the Acme home screen once you're logged out. And then if you click my account again, it makes you log back in order to do anything.